Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the wild journey of artificial intelligence. I'm sure you've used some of the crazy AI tools that are changing our world right now. But the story of how we got these tools, well, that's even more incredible. Ready to cover a 70-year journey in just a few minutes? Let's go. Okay, so our story starts back in the 1950s with a really simple idea: rule-based AI. Basically, these early systems just followed super clear if this, then that logic. Think of it like a fixed guidebook. The machine could only do what was written in its manual. And hey, this approach had some early wins, like chess computers and even medical diagnosis tools. But here's the catch: it couldn't learn or adapt, and that limitation sparked the next big breakthrough. Which brings us to milestone number 2, machine learning, kicking off in the early 2000s. So instead of just giving machines rules, we started letting them learn patterns from tons of data. And it learns in a few different ways, with a teacher, on its own, or through trial and error. This is behind so much stuff you use every day, like your Netflix recommendations or spam filter. But it still needed a lot of human guidance to learn. So, you guessed it, a new leap was needed. And that leap takes us to our third milestone: deep learning in the 2010s. This is AI that actually mimics the human brain, using what are called neural networks. Think about Face ID on your phone, or talking to Siri. That's deep learning right there. One really cool trick here: pitting two AIs against each other. One's an art forger, the other's a cop. This constant competition just made both of them incredibly powerful, unlocking super realistic image creation.
And all of this work, well, it paved the way for the explosion we're seeing right now: generative AI.
Around 2022, things got wild. These huge models started creating text and images that feel, well, human. It's totally changing how we do things, from helping us write code to speeding up scientific research. So, you gotta ask, is this AI boom just another bubble that's gonna pop? Well, there are for sure some big challenges, but the tech foundation this time seems way more solid. See, generative AI isn't the end of the story, it's a new beginning. So how will we guide it?